Hey everyone, hope you all are doing fine. This is Pradeep Dhyani and welcome to the video. So guys, yes, in this video I will tell about all about postal test paper, whether for June December 21 postal test paper applicable or not, or if applicable then what will be the process. Everything I will tell about. But before starting the main video, I will tell something about most of the students are asking me that ki I am not uploading the videos for job opportunities, articleship training for CMA inter or final. So guys, as you know that I want to share information that I have created a page pathway to CMA. If you think that the page is relevant for you, you can also follow the page. I am not saying, I'm just saying that if you like the page, then because I am sharing the job related information, inter, final, fresher or experience, pathway to CMA, and all the informations, notification and update for CMA. So guys, hope you can also check if you the information is useful for you, you can check. So now come to the main point, postal test paper. So guys, as you know that yes, institute is still silent on this point ki whether postal test paper applicable or not. So I will tell about the best way for you guys. So let's start. So guys, foundation student, first of all, one point is foundation student, that foundation student need not to apply, need not to submit postal test paper, and nothing wrong will happen with you. No need to worry, your admit card will receive, you will eligible to give exam. Foundation student need not to fill or apply postal test paper. But you are seeing that 2016 postal test paper are in the institute side, but I am suggesting that foundation student need not to worry, and nothing wrong with happen with CMA foundation student. Now come to the point for inter or final. So guys, most of the students asked from institute, and some of the students receive the answer that ki, yes, postal test paper need to submit, and you submit the postal test paper to the nearest chapter. And some of the student receive the reply from institute or different chapters ki need not to submit postal test paper from this attempt. So guys, you are seeing that there is a dilemma and contrast between the different chapters opinion. And suppose for those student, those chapter who are saying that ki you need to submit the postal test paper. Now the question arises, what will be the process? Earlier we have submitted our postal test paper to study center or chapters, but now, so I will suggest you that it is my humble request and personal opinion that do not wait for institute notification. It will take 3 or 4 days to prepare postal test paper. How will get you postal test paper, how to prepare, everything I will tell about in my earlier videos. I do not want to more about I do not want to large the video, so I will provide the link in the description for the particular videos. What is oral or what is postal? As you know that postal test paper need to submit only for postal who has chosen the option of postal during the admission. Oral need not to submit. So what is oral, what is postal, I will provide the video for link description. And from how we will get the postal test paper, and from where we can prepare, we can get answers, everything you will get about, I will provide the link of those videos, so this video will not large. So guys, and I will suggest you that you need to prepare all the postal test paper. If you are appearing for one group, if you are appearing for both group, if you are appearing for second group of inter or final, foundation I have also already said that exempted, so need not to worry foundation student. Now inter or final student, if any student is appearing for group 1, group 2 or both group, you need to only prepare the particular group, and postal test paper need to submit only one time. If you are not able to clear the group, need not to again resubmit the postal test paper. Postal test paper is one time during the registration of your inter or final. So guys, I will suggest you that. And the another important question, so first answer you will get that ki I will suggest you that 3 days it will take, you just prepare and submit the institute. Reason is that your mind will be free from this burden. As you know that if the condition is applicable that you need to submit the admit, as you know that without submitting postal test paper, inter or final student will not get admit card. So answer is simple, that he is also not eligible for appearing in the exams. So this is the importance of postal test paper, but institute is silent. Earlier it is exempt due to the pandemic, but now whether we will need to submit. So my crux conclusion is that you must submit the paper whether it is applicable or not. This burden will remove from your mind. Okay guys, and how you submit these paper after preparing or finishing the paper? So I will suggest you that you should courier or speed post. Any mode you can take, courier or speed post. You just write your name on every set, name, registration number. These two mandatory things you need to write on the top of your postal test paper of every individual subject. Okay guys, and you need to speed post or courier to the institute. Two places you can easily submit, one for Lodhi Road, Delhi, and second was the head office, Kolkata. But just post office or speed post or courier, and you will be free from postal test paper. So hope you will got your answers. Now I am concluding the video. Institute is silent. I will request you that you just submit, prepare. 3 days it will take, and your mind will be removed from this burden. So 3 days it will take. Just prepare and courier, speed post, or whatever the mode, you just submit to two places. Either you can submit to Lodhi Road, Delhi, or Kolkata head office. You can easily get the address from the institute site. So remove this burden and focus on the study. Okay guys, hope you are enjoying and your family is also fine. That's all about in this video. Keep enjoying, keep growing, and keep studying. Thank you so much guys.